Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. So we were doing arithmetic progression. So this is our second video on the same. So now we are going to take questions forward from where we left last. So the question could be, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st term? So let us again understand the question. So the question is, we have been given a AP. Okay, AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. Okay, we are being asked which term of the AP will be 120 more than, that is 120 plus its 21st term. So we have to find which term of this AP will be 120 plus T21. Okay, now it's simple. First we need to find the 21st term. Once we know the 21st term, we are going to add 120 in that, and then using the same formula of Tn, we'll try to figure out what is the number of that term. Okay, so let us start the question. So A is 3, D is 15 minus 3, which is 12. First thing first, we will write that Tn equals A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so as I said, let us find T21. That would be 3 plus 20 into 12. Okay, so 12 into 20 is 240 and 3 gives us 243. Now the term which we need to find is 120 more than this. So Tn equals 120 plus 243. So 100, 200, 300, 363. Now we will key in all this information in the formula again, in this formula, and now we will write Tn, which is equals to 363, equals A, which is 3, plus n minus 1 into D, which is 12. Clear? So first we figured out 120 plus T1, which is 363. Now we are finding the nth term, the number of term which will give this number. So let us now solve it. So 363 minus 3 equals n minus 1 into 12. Okay, which gives you 360 equals n minus 1 into 12. Okay, now let us bring this here. So I'll take 12 down. Okay, so 360 divided by 12 equals n minus 1. That is 30 equals n minus 1, n equals 31. Okay, and that's our answer for this question. So what was the question? Which term of this AP will be 120 more than its 21st term? What have we done? We first figured out that they are asking Tn equals 120 plus T21. Then we wrote what is A, what is D. Then the general formula we have written, and then we solved, and hence we got our answer. Okay, fairly simple. Okay, now let us take another question. Okay, now this question is a good one, and this question comes in different avatar. One is they will give you with number, another one they will give you just by saying mth term, nth term, but all the more it is simple only. We have to understand the process. So if the seventh term of an AP is 1 by 9 and its ninth term is 1 by 7. Find its 63rd term. Okay, the question is 7th term equals 1 by 9, ninth term T9 equals 1 by 7. We are asked to find T63. This is our question. What would be its 63rd term? Okay. Now, simple. First thing we'll say Tn equals A plus n minus 1d. Okay. That's the first thing we are supposed to write. Okay. Then it says T7. So I'll just write T7 equals A plus 6d, which is given as 1 upon 9. Okay. That's my first equation. Then T9. So T9 equals A plus 8t, which is equals to 1 upon 7. Okay, that's my second equation. Okay. Now these are two simultaneous equation. What will we do? We'll subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let me do that. So you get 6 minus 8 minus 2d, okay, equals 1 by 9 minus 1 by 7. Okay, simply take the LCM. So it would be 7 minus 9 over 63, which is minus 2 over 63. Okay, so this will give, so minus 2d equals minus 2 by 63. So d is equals to 1 upon 63. That gives us the value of d. Now we will put this value of d in any equation and get the value of a. So let us say a plus 6 upon 63 equals 1 upon 9. Okay, which will give me what? A equals 1 upon 9 minus 6 upon 63. Take the LCM, it would be 63 only. So 7 minus 6 upon 63, which is 1 upon 63. So what we find? D is 1 by 63 and we have figured out that A is also 1 upon 63. Okay. So let us quickly recap. T7 given as 1 by 9, T9 given as 1 by 7. We just put the values in the formula, solved it. We got D equals 1 by 63, A equals 1 by 63. Now we are supposed to find T63. So let me rub this off. And T63, we have written the formula, would be equal to A plus 62D. Okay. Now what is my A? A is 1 upon 63. What is D? D is again 1 upon 63. So what do we get? We get 1 by 63 plus 62 by 63, which makes it 63 upon 63. So T63 equals 1. Okay, and that's our answer. Okay, so this is one question which, as I told you, this can be asked like this, which is they are giving some numbers, or they can also give this question in the form of m and n. Now let us look at that. How will we do that kind of question? Okay, it is simple only. Only thing is we now need to deal with some numbers. So let us take the question. Yeah. So understand the question says if the mth term of an AP be 1 by n. So mth term, that means Tm is equals to 1 by n, and then it says and its nth term be 1 by m. That means Tn equals 1 upon m. Okay. Then the question says show that its mnth term. Show that Tmn equals 1. This is what we need to prove. So if the mth term is 1 by n, nth term is 1 by m, show that Tmn equals 1. It is same thing which we did in the last question. So we will start with the general formula. Now instead of n, they have given me m. So my formula would be Tm equals a plus m minus 1d, which is equals to 1 by n. That's my first equation. And Tn again is a plus n minus 1d, which is equals to 1 by m. Okay. Now again subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So the signs I am going to change. So a minus a goes. What do you get? You get on m minus 1d minus n minus 1d equals 1 by n minus 1 by m. Okay. Now here let us take d common. So you are left with m minus 1. There is a minus in front of the bracket. So a sign inside will change. So it becomes minus n plus 1. And here I will take LCM, which is mn, and it would be m minus n. Simple. Now plus 1 minus 1 will knock each other out. So you are left with d m minus n equals m minus n by mn. Now this m minus n will knock this m minus 1 n, and we get value of d as 1 upon mn. Okay. Now put this value of d in, let us say, equation 1. So what will I get? I will get a plus m minus 1. Instead of d, I will write 1 upon m n equals 1 upon n. Okay. So a will be 1 by n minus m minus 1 upon mn. Okay. 1 by n minus m minus 1 by mn. Now let us go here. So you can see I can take mn common because one denominator is n, another is mn. So my LCM is mn. Now this guy has n already in the denominator, so I have to multiply with m. So it becomes m minus m minus 1. And what is this? This is my a. So if I solve, it gets m minus m plus 1 upon mn, which gives me a equals 1 upon mn. So you can see d is 1 by mn, a is also 1 by mn. It is exactly the same kind of question which we did in the last question. Okay. Now we have to find Tmn. So let me rub this off. So Tmn equals a plus mn minus 1 into d. Okay, that's the general formula. So Tmn is asked a plus mn minus 1 d. Now let me put value. A is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 into d, which is again 1 by mn. Okay. So what we get, again mn is common. So let me write this as this. So 1 plus mn minus 1. Now 1 minus 1 goes away. You are left with mn by mn, which is equals to 1. So we have proved that Tmn equals 1. Okay. That's all for today's session. We'll come back in the next session with further more videos, and we'll talk about